Hi, I'm Karen Wilson Edmonds from Karin Yoga Life. And today I'm going to be demonstrating Sukhasana, which just means easy seat. So in a typical gentle yoga class and many other different types of yoga classes, you might start in a seated position. So there are many ways that you can actually be in this seated position. So sometimes your yoga teacher will say you can sit up on a blanket or a block. So as you see, I'm sitting on actually 2 blankets. So what this does is it raises your hips so that they're more or less in line with the knees. So if you find that you sit down and your knees are way up here, you really want to be sitting up on something to elevate your hips. It will make the posture a lot more comfortable. So the second thing is that you can have the ankles crossed, you can have the shins crossed, you can even open the legs out a little more and make a diamond shape with your feet. So there's a diamond shape here. So whichever of these make you feel more comfortable. So ankles crossed, shins crossed, or diamond shape. And you can also change the position if you feel like you've been sitting in one position too long. The next thing, you want to be sitting up nice and tall. So you want to be rooting down into the floor, into the mat. So making sure you feel your sit bones rooted down. And then you want to think of lengthening the spine as much as you can. So really sitting up nice and tall, nice long spine. Feel like you're lengthening out through the top of the head. But you want to keep the shoulders relaxed. So the shoulders are nice and relaxed. You're going to gently engage the core, so pulling the belly button into the spine. And you can just rest your hands on your knees or on your thighs. So this posture is Sukhasana. And really, it should be accessible for most people if you can be seated on the floor. So that's what I wanted to share today. Enjoy.